أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Friends, today's the topic is move from I to you. The most selfish English word is I. I stands for expectations, my likes, my dislikes, my opinions, my desires. I should be treated like this, I should be given like this, I should be loved like this. I. So everything revolves around I. Friends, the President of the United States, John F. Kennedy, comes to the stage for his first presidential speech. His words rumbled into the public address system. He said, ask not what the country can do for you, but ask what you can do for the country. Friends, three important things: love, respect and charity you can adopt in your life. But how? Suppose you want to be loved, people may not love you. But when you want to give love, who can stop you? You want respect, people may not give you respect. But when you want to give respect, who can stop you? You want charity in life, people may not give you charity. But when you want to give charity, who can stop you? So move from I to you. I hope आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अल्लाह हम सब का हामी नासिर हो।